This is a demo for My Data Curtain, used to hide information from coworkers or employees, and is also a replacement for ServiceGuru's Attachment Privacy add-on. To get started, choose a job and remove the information you want to hide. Now, when you click More, Add-ons, then My Data Curtain, whatever you wanted to hide will be shown. This system can hide attachments, notes, forms, and even jobs. After information has been hidden, someone without permission will not be able to access it. If you want to make hidden information visible to everyone again, just simply click the Restore button. Some other things to note are that attachments can only be opened when you press Control and click. Hidden forms, on the other hand, cannot be opened unless it has been restored. To hide a job, you must be selecting the job you want to hide, then immediately reload the page. Otherwise, it might not work. To change people's permissions in My Data Curtain, press Account, Add-ons, My Data Curtain. A screen will pop up where you can change what people can do and see. The option to view hidden data will change whether the set person can view the data you have hidden. The option to be an admin will change whether they can change the permissions. Press Submit when you are finished to save your changes. That is everything you need to know for My Data Curtain. Thank you for watching.